Amazon sent us this baby playpen rug to review. This is a little rug that can go inside your playpen if it fits, or you can have it out in the open like we did. We decided to put it here in his room because we don't have carpet, so this was a great idea to just put in his room for him to play and not worry for him falling or hitting his head on the floor. This is how it looks in our room, and the size varies. This is the size we got, but we love how soft and cushioned it is. It's very, very thick, and also it has an anti-slip on the bottom, so it really helps the mat stay in place. I'm going to zoom in here so you can kind of see the material I'm talking about. It helps hold grip on the floor, and if you can see, if I move it, it really doesn't move easily. So it's perfect for your little one to play, and if they're starting to walk or crawl, this is going to be a perfect selection. Like I said, you can choose a different size. They have bigger and smaller, but for us, this was a perfect size in our room. And this is how it looks overall in his room. Like I said, I love the material, and our baby has enjoyed playing in it a lot. So I do like this rug for babies and toddlers. I think it's great. Like I said, I think it's good for any stage, either crawling, walking, just to play, or even for tummy time when they're little. You can just use it for multiple purposes according to your needs.